Now in this game, a person plays two independent games of chance. The expected prize from the first game is 7 with a standard deviation of 3, and the expected prize from the second game is -2 with a standard deviation of 4. And we're asked, what are the expectation and variance of the total prizes from the two games? Well, let's first write down our data. Okay? Let's define x1 as our winnings from the first game, right? And x2 would be our winnings from the second game. Okay, so we know that the expectation of our winnings for the first game is 7, and the standard deviation is 3. And for the second game, the expectation of our winnings from the second game is -2, and the standard deviation of x2, our winnings, is 4.